Help me with water, Mommy.
No, you can run through by yourself.
No,
Hold Elle's hand. Hold Elle's hand and run through together. Hold Izzy's hand.
Hold this. Okay.
Run through together.
Okay. Hold my hand. Okay.
Ready, go.
Stop.
Wait for Izzy.
Stop.
She's got shorter legs than you. Oh. Run through. Whoa. There's somebody back there. Charlie, calm down.
Mom,
Was that fun? You can hold Elle's hand again.
Mommy.
Mommy's not really wearing clothes to get wet.